Hello everybody, welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. We are super excited for Quilt Show this weekend. The Quilt Show is going to be Friday through Sunday. Friday and Saturday, the Quilt Show will be open from 10 to 6, and then on Sunday they're going to be open 10 to 4. Our quilt store here will be open as well, so that includes this Sunday. Normally we are not open on Sundays, but we will be open from noon to 5 that day. So if you go to the Quilt Show and you want to do some shopping after you've seen all of the beautiful quilts and you have all that wonderful inspiration, you can stop by the store and come shopping. That being said, also, if you visit our booth at the Quilt Show, you can receive one of these cute little QB pins here. If you get one of these and then bring it into the store, you will get 20% off of all of your fabric and notion purchases. So it's good for all of the fabric and notions, just not kits or machines or furniture or anything like that. But so be sure to bring in your pin. We are super excited. As I said, we're going to have our own booths at the Quilt Show. We're going to have all of our most popular machines there being demoed. We're going to have people there to give you all the information. We're going to have our furniture there. We have special deals on Arrow furniture, so that's super exciting. And then we'll have ambassadors from our different machine brands and furniture, so they will be able to answer any of your questions. So very exciting. There's going to be over 500 quilts and different booths to check out, so definitely stop by. And as I said, be sure to bring in your pin so that when you come to the store, you'll get that discount for going to the Quilt Show. So yeah, hold on to your pin. So then we will jump into our fabric for this morning. We still have all of our wonderful Halloween stuff up front here. We still are doing our fabric sale on it, so all regular price Halloween is 20% off. We've also got some wonderful panels left, and those will be 40% off. Kits are also on sale, ranging from about 20 to 40% off, so you can just check the tag on those ones. But we've got some really fun stuff here, some great kits still available. So if you're still looking to do any of that last minute Halloween sewing, stop on by and check that out. Okay, and then coming right over here, you may remember that this area, we had a lot of our fall and autumn stuff around here. We swapped it with the Christmas in the back. So all of this is now all of our wonderful Christmas lines. So some really great stuff there. We still do have some of our other Christmas lining the end caps and tables in this section. So you can kind of just move on this way and our Christmas will be right along this area. We've still got a couple other lines back there that need to come forward, but we'll do that so that it's closer up front here to start that holiday prep. Moving on down here, this beautiful colored end cap here. We have all of these gorgeous new pre-cuts here from Clothworks. We've got Rainbow Spirit, which is this gorgeous rainbow colored collection with the little pop of gold metallic. And we have charm packs, layer cakes, and jelly rolls. And then down here we've got this beautiful sort of midnight color scheme. This one is Night Magic. It's also got some beautiful silver metallic in there. And then these two new blenders here, we have a white version and a black version. The white has a silver metallic dot, and the black version has a gold metallic sort of dot on there. So some really cool blenders. These would be beautiful backgrounds for any quilts or projects that you may be working on. They really add a special sort of pop to the fabric. So those are awesome. and definitely check those out. They're right on the end cap here going into some of our CAFE and in the beginning stuff. Okay, and working our way down here, we've got all of our flannels in this aisle here, and we wanted to show off this beautiful flannel bundle. This one we put together using these beautiful sort of Southwest geometric prints, and then did some beautiful blenders with some of those Northcott fabrics. Gorgeous colors in here. I think this would make a beautiful, beautiful flannel quilt. So we wanted to show those off because they are wonderfully soft and cuddly. Dropping my little pin there, don't lose these. Okay, and working our way down here, I have another fun line to show you. A few of our employees are very excited about this one. These out of the way. So this right here is this really cute line from Camelot. This is a new Dungeons and Dragons line. So if you know anybody who plays the game and you think they would want something fun made out of this one, it is very cute. It's got all the logos and the dice on there, some really cool like geometric prints, and some fun sort of fantasy looking motifs on there. This is one of the main prints that's pretty cool. We have a sample coming. Making a little project bag up with this one to put all of your dice and papers and such in there. So we will show that when that's done, but we're super excited about this one. Very cute and very fun. So keep that one in mind. I think we're going to get lots of people making Christmas presents and things with that one. So very cute. Okay. And then coming down our more floral section here, you may remember Rebecca talked about this line last week. This is Cottage Farmhouse Fusion. Very cute, sort of whimsical, subtle line with the florals and some of these textured prints. But what we forgot to show you was this gorgeous panel that comes along with it. So this is the panel. You've got 8 different blocks here with different sweet little sayings or little floral drawings there. So this panel goes with this collection, so you can pair maybe one of these cute little bundles with the panel. We also have a free pattern that goes along with this one. So this is the free pattern that comes with the fabric if you ask for it up at the counter, and it uses all of these panels blocks on the inside of these little stars here, so that's really cute. And then they use the this print here as the backing, which is such a cool idea because it kind of already has that pieced look to it, so it would give it that sweet little vintage country farmhouse feel. So that's going to be really cute. We just wanted to show off that project because it is really adorable and looks like it would go together super easily, and you can use this panel as kind of like the building block, which is very cool. Okay, and then coming to the back here, we've got a couple sort of farm animal feeling lines here. First off, we've got Farm Life. This one is from Clothworks. It's this really cool new farm collection. This one has sort of like a collage feel to it with this really neat art style. So this is one of the main prints. And then you've got some really cool sort of almost watercolor looking florals and blenders. This one is kind of the old farm ledger look. And then it has all of the blenders up until here. You've got these cute little chicks. And then on this side, we have a line. This line is called Homestead. This one is from Clothworks as well. And you've got this cute little farm feel here, this cute little scene. And it's a beautiful color scheme as well. This cool blue into kind of this beautiful sage green is such a beautiful color scheme. This one would be adorable for any, I think, maybe kitchen projects, table runner, cute little placemats, that kind of thing. But I also think it would be really cute as a little nursery quilt. I think this would be adorable in a little kid's room. So those are really cool. We've got them in our little hutch here. We've got some pre-cuts for both of them, so that's very cool. And then right over here, we've got another gorgeous line. This one is from Northcott. This one is called Northern Peaks. It's their sort of traditional watercolor looking line. It's absolutely gorgeous. You've got those deep teals and deep emerald greens. And then we've got some blenders to go along with it. So this one is kind of has those tree trunks, but they're cut in half so you can see those beautiful rings. But it still sort of keeps that watercolor look to it. We've got one of the other main prints here that kind of looks like the panel. And then all of these other wonderful fabrics. We do have some fat quarters of this line as well. And then we also have a brand new kit that we did with this fabric. So I'll open it up here so you can see. It is a beautiful quilt. The fabric is so lovely and has so much movement and depth to it. It would be such a lovely gift to give someone if they are into more of that wildlife look. But again, it's just got such beautiful color to it. It would anyone I think would be happy to receive something like this. So we do have the kit. It has the pattern, the binding, and everything you need to do the top of the quilt, including the beautiful panel that is at the center. And we backed it in this lovely woven flannel that we have, but we also have a 108 wide fabric that's sort of this ombre look. It has a beautiful seam to it. So if you wanted to back it with the same collection, you could do so, and it would have that gorgeous sort of ombre look to it. And then there also is one more panel that goes along with it. It's this wonderful, it's the print of the main panel, but on a bag. And it comes with the strap material, a little pocket, and it's got the instructions on here on how to make it. So all you need is just the panel, and you can throw together a quick project. So we love these. So lots of stuff that goes with this collection. We are just super excited to have it out. It will be right back here as you can see it. We'll hang up the quilt. But yeah, so be sure to stop by in this back corner to check that out. Okay, moving on along here. Right at this end cap here, we've got the line that's here is up at the counter, so we'll get there in a minute. But we have a couple of these really cool kits that we got from Baby Lock. They were special little projects, so we have them out for you now. The first one is this cool little table runner. It's this cute little weather vane block here. And then on this one, we have a cool sewing machine cover. So it's got all of the fabric you need in there and the pattern. So it's even got a cute little seam ripper in there. So this is a fun little kit that we had, and again, it uses some of the Lori Holt fabric, so it's adorable. Okay, and then moving up here to the counter, we've got this wonderful line from Northcott. This is Sunflower Bouquet. We've got the whole collection here with these beautiful floral prints, and then we've got some plaids here with some butterflies and cute little bumblebees in there as well. So really sweet line. I love the combination of this bright blue with this really sunny yellow. Gorgeous combination of fabrics. And then we have the pre-cuts. We have these placemats that we made using the inside out mats pattern. So we've got that right here. And then this beautiful table runner right here that Treasure made, we actually have a kit for. So this little guy right here, this cute little bundle, it uses a charm pack. So we've got that in here. Just some little background fabric. We just used a white, and then this fun green as the binding here. And it uses one of the postcard patterns that we have. So it is super fast and easy, a wonderful little project. It turned out so cute. That's why we kind of wanted to make some little placemats to go with it, to have like a whole little place setting. So these turned out so adorable. So we'll have the little kits right over here with the fabric. We'll have the pattern for the placemats, and we have some patterns just by themselves too, if you wanted to grab another charm pack to throw one of these together. Super fast and easy, like I said, and it turns out really, really cute. So keep those in mind. It's a fun little grab and go project. And yeah, the fabric is here as well. So if you wanted to grab some backing for it while you're here, definitely do that. So that brings us to the end of our fabric tour for today. Just a little reminder, so Quilt Show is coming up this weekend, Friday through Sunday. We will be there. We'll have booths with some of our sewing machines and furniture. We're going to have some awesome deals on some of those things, so be sure to ask then. Our store will also be open even on Sunday. We'll be open noon to 5 on Sunday, so be sure to stop by. And while you're at the Quilt Show, be sure to grab one of our little pins here so that when you come to the store, you get 20% off on all of your fabric and notion purchases. So definitely hang on to your little pin. We love it when people come straight from the Quilt Show all the way over here and do some fun shopping. It's always a really good time. So be sure to go. It is very fun. It's at the fairgrounds, the Expo Center here in Spokane. There are going to be tons of beautiful quilts, lots of vendors. So definitely stop by. It's one of our biggest weekends of the year. So we would love all of your support. So yeah, thank you so much for joining us this morning, and be sure to comment and let us know if you're coming to the Quilt Show or not, because we would love to see you there. Thank you so much, and we will see you next week.